Hey there, everyone. I have some big news that you don't want to miss, especially if you're looking to buy or sell in the Bryson neighborhood of Leander, Texas. The Bryson neighborhood has just opened its newest section. With it comes an exciting opportunity. They're offering half-acre home sites, the largest ever in Bryson. But here's the catch. There's a limited supply. Only 14 lots are available, including those on the cul-de-sac, and so these won't last long. So what makes these larger home sites so special? First, they provide enough space for a pool, a play yard, perfect for those Texas summers. But that's not all. With a bigger home site, you can also have a bigger home. In this new acreage neighborhood, two exceptional builders, Chesmar and Perry Homes, are fully utilizing these spacious lots. Let me tell you about Perry Homes first. They offer 14 different floor plans, starting at a generous 3,317 square feet and going all the way up to 4,931 square feet. These homes feature up to 6 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, an office, and a game room. Pricing starts at $980,000. Chesmar isn't far behind, with 5 new floor plans that are more than 3,000 square feet. Their largest single-story design offers 3,200 square feet. Expansive 2 stories offer 3,800 square feet, and they start at $800,000, and they have up to 5 bedrooms. Remember, only 14 lots available. These properties go quickly, so if you're interested in learning more and want to schedule a visit, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm here to help you make one of these beautiful homes your own. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in Bryson.